This is a video discussing question 16.54, uh, which is in our Pearson online discussion. Uh, so in the question, we were directed to finish filling out a table and given different values with each solution. So in one solution, solution one, we are giving the Ka for the acid. In solution two, we are giving the Kb for the base. And in solution three, we're given the acid again. In solution four, we're actually given the pH, and we have to go back to find both the Ka and the Kb. This is all doable through the equations that we have learned. Um, Obviously, let me flip back through my notes here. You can find uh, the constant of an acid by using the constant of the dissociation of water. So basically, those are like a magic triangle. Uh, Essentially, how the acid, the concentration of the acid times the dissociation concentration of the base equals the dissociation of constant of water. So we can use that equation to figure out the constant of the base or the constant of the acid because we know that the constant of water is always going to be one uh, 1 times 10 to the power of negative 14 in scientific notation. Um, since we know that number, we can make an equation to figure out the other two. Now with pH, you have to figure out what actually the measure of the excuse me uh, of the hydroxide is in that part of the table. So you're given the pH, you have to take um, that and subtract that from 14 to find out what your actual measure of the hydroxide was. Once you find that, you can use those numbers, clear out a natural log of those numbers, and then you'll be able to have the the constant dissociation of your base. And like I said, once you have that, you can go back and find the constant of the acid also. And that's how we're able to figure out all the answers within that table.